Just days after the attack on the former Punjab Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal, a new statement has caught the attention, with the Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu defending the accused Narayan Singh Chaura, the man who opened fire on the Shiromani Akali Dal leader outside the Golden Temple. Bittu argued that the actions were driven by strong emotions, particularly after Badal's own admission of involvement in the 1984 sacrilege incident. In fact, he emphasized that the shooting was not connected to any Khalistani or terrorist activities. He also drew parallels between the case and that of Balwant Singh Rajana, who was convicted for the assassination of the former Punjab Chief Minister Beyant Singh. Listen in to the statement that has attracted a lot of controversy.
ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸਮਝਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਇਹ ਕੌਮ ਦੇ ਹੀਰੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮਿਊਜ਼ੀਅਮ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਕਾਲ ਤਖਤ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਮਿਊਜ਼ੀਅਮ ਬਣਿਆ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੇ ਹੀਰਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਫੋਟੋਆਂ ਲਾਈਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਹੂੰਗਾ ਜਥੇਦਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ, ਅਕਾਲੀ ਦਲ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ, ਉਸ ਮਿਊਜ਼ੀਅਮ 'ਚ ਚੌਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਤਸਵੀਰ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਨਮਾਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਕਰਨ ਵੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਭਾਵਨਾ 'ਚ, ਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਅਦਬੀ ਨਾ ਸਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸੁਖਬੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਗੋਲੀ ਚਲਾਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪ ਕਮਿਟ ਕੀਤੀ। ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੜਾ ਸਮਝਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਬੜਾ ਸੀਰੀਅਸ ਵਿਸ਼ਾ ਹੈ।
Meanwhile, Shiromani Akali Dal leader Bikram Singh Majithia has sharply criticized the Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu, accusing him of justifying the attack on Sukhbir Badal. He questioned, why is the minister justifying an attack inside a Gurudwara? Listen in.
क्योंकि 4 तारीख को पार्लियामेंट के बाहर वो इसकी निंदा कर रहे हैं और बादल साहब की सरकार का एक जिक्र कर रहे हैं कि 2009 में मेरे को फोन आया कि ये नारायण सिंह चौड़ा आपकी गाड़ी में गाड़ी मारेगा और आपको उड़ा देगा। तो स्टेट्समैनशिप देखो बादल साहब की। जब बादल साहब के कानों में ये बात पड़ी, उन्होंने अपने एसएसपी को बोला कि प्लीज इन्फॉर्म बिट्टू जी, और आप भी बिट्टू को इन्फॉर्म करा जो मेरे पास खबर है। मैं बीजेपी से पूछना चाहता हूँ, क्या वो नारायण सिंह चौड़े की आइडियोलॉजी को सपोर्ट करते हैं? क्योंकि नारायण चौड़ा था आईएसआई का एजेंट है।
So big controversy being sparked off. My colleague Tetri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tetri, the attack was condemned by political parties cutting across party lines, but the Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu has now sparked off a fresh controversy with his statement.
Well, definitely that's a big statement that came yesterday from the Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu, where he in fact demanded that the accused Narayan Singh Chaura, who attacked Sukhbir Singh Badal in Amritsar at the Golden Temple, should be honored. And in fact not just that, but the leaders of Shiromani Akali Dal should in fact install the picture of Narayan Singh Chaura at their office and honor him. And then we saw that the Shiromani Akali Dal leader Bikram Singh Majithia, also the General Secretary of the SAD, slammed Ravneet Singh Bittu and in fact asked to clarify the stand of the BJP, and in fact also questioned that the statement given by Bittu is the statement that is the stand of the BJP or it's of Ravneet Singh Bittu, and also stated that and also in fact questioned that does Ravneet Singh Bittu endorses the attack, or in fact is in favor of the attack that happened at the Golden Temple. And in fact also remember that Ravneet Singh Bittu also in fact stated that if Shiromani Akali Dal leaders at that particular point of time when BN Singh was killed asked to forgive or pardon the attackers of BN Singh, then why not the SAD leaders can forgive or pardon this particular attacker? So all in all, Ravneet Singh Bittu was drawing a parallel line, and the kind of statements that were given by SAD leaders that time when BN Singh was attacked, and then we saw that this entire attack that happened on Sukhbir Singh Badal, that has turned into a massive political war of words, where now SAD is saying that this particular accused Narayan Singh Chaura has links with ISI, is an agent, and not just that, but it is also a state-sponsored event, is what the SAD has been saying on and on. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Tetri, thank you for joining us with those details.